Let's understand what constitutes an individual financial conflict of interest, or CFI, in research. Let's examine four scenarios and identify which one represents a financial conflict of interest. First scenario: a researcher's spouse holds equity in a publicly traded pharmaceutical company that is also the sponsor of the researcher's study. Second scenario: a researcher's spouse works at the same university as the researcher. Third scenario: a researcher is considering buying stock in a publicly traded pizza company. Fourth scenario: a researcher's child wins a science competition with a prize sponsored by a company funding the researcher's project. Let's analyze which scenario represents a financial COI. The first scenario is the clear example of a financial conflict of interest. Here's why. The researcher's spouse has a financial interest in the company sponsoring the research. This could potentially influence the researcher's objectivity or the study's outcomes. The other scenarios don't represent financial COIs because working at the same university, investing in unrelated companies, or winning an unrelated competition prize don't create direct conflicts with research integrity.